Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video you will learn how to set specific text tones for a contact on Android. To do this, open messaging app on your device. Then select the contact from message box that you want to change the text tone. Then tap on the three dots in the top right corner. And then tap on Details. And then tap on Notifications. Tap on Sound option. And now choose a specific text tone from the list. After choosing, click on this icon for downloading and save. Icon may be different depend the phone model. There may also be options instead of icons. If you want to change the text tone from other contacts, use the same process. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.